Professor Ellen Langer of Harvard University reviewed the health examination data when she was asked to consult hotel workers on their health. She expected that physical workers who used their bodies a lot would be healthier than office workers who work sitting all day, but there was no difference. So she started an experiment to verify that it might be because physical workers moved their bodies a lot, but thought it was boring and difficult, not exercise. She gave half of the hotel's employees a list of all their activities and their calorie consumption. For example, seat replacement for 15 minutes would consume 40 calories, and bathroom cleaning would consume 60 calories. And she also posted the list on the lounge board. On the other hand, the other half did not provide this information. A month later, a medical examination was conducted and compared with the results of the pre-experiment examination. As a result, surprisingly, groups who thought what they were doing was exercising reduced their weight, body mass index, waist circumference, and lower blood pressure and stress. However, this change did not occur in the control group. Even if we do the same thing, we don't do it mechanically casually, but if we observe carefully and give positive meaning to what we do, our bodies and minds change. Laundry, cleaning, and labor are also effective when considered healthy exercise. But if you think it's inevitable, it's just boring and hard work.